Good morning, dear students. Welcome in online classes. My dear student, yesterday we have discussed about that speaker and the functions of speaker. In class Earth A and in class Earth B, both sections study about that Lok Sabha, different names of the Lok Sabha, composition of the Lok Sabha, term of Lok Sabha, election manner of the Lok Sabha, qualification for the membership of the Lok Sabha, speaker of the Lok Sabha, what is the election procedure of the Lok Sabha speaker, and what is the power and function of the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Today our topic is Rajya Sabha, composition of the Rajya Sabha, election and the duration of house and qualifications for membership and chairman of the Rajya Sabha. So today we have discussed about that Rajya Sabha. In Rajya Sabha, this is the second, Rajya Sabha is the second chamber of the parliament. It is also known as the permanent house. Permanent house. Rajya Sabha also named as the Council of State. Means Rajya Sabha known as the different names. Official name Rajya Sabha. Second, it is also known as a permanent house, and Rajya Sabha known as the Council of State. Okay. In Rajya Sabha, while this house is called that permanent house, what is the election procedure of the Rajya Sabha member, and what is the composition of the Rajya Sabha? So first of all, I would like to explain about that composition of the Rajya Sabha. Composition, you know very well, the maximum strength of the house. The maximum strength of the house 250. Total number of members in the Rajya Sabha 250. There are two type of members. Which one? Elected and nominated. Okay? Elected 238 members are elected through the indirect election. Means the member of Rajya Sabha elected through the indirect elections. After that, how many nominated? 12 members are nominated by the Rajya Sabha from the different fields of art, like that sports, like that literature, like that science, and like that social services. The president nominated 12 members in the Rajya Sabha. They all are belong to the different important field: art, literature, science, and social services. Sports also. And 238 members elected through the indirect election by the state legislative assembly. Okay, so maximum strength 250 and two types of members elected and nominated. Total number of elected 238 and total number of nominated 12 members nominated by the president. What is the election procedure? They are elected indirect. 238 members elected through the indirect manner, and 12 members are nominated by the President of India. President of India. They all belong to the different fields like that art, sports, social services, literature, etc. Okay, 12 members nominated by the president. They belong to the different fields from the art, literature, sport, social services, and 238 elected through the indirect election by the member of the state legislative assembly. Clear? After that, duration of the house. Duration of the house normally 6 years. After 6 years, 1/3 member retire every 2 years. So the new members again appointed on the vacant seat. So the Rajya Sabha known as the permanent house. Rajya Sabha never dissolved. The Rajya Sabha never dissolved. The Rajya Sabha never dissolved because 1/3 member retire of every 2 years. Clear? Means the house of the Rajya Sabha known as the permanent house. The normal term of the Rajya Sabha 6 years, and after 6 years 1/3 member retire every 2 years. The new members again appointed on the vacant seat. So this house is known as the permanent house because Rajya Sabha never dissolved. Rajya Sabha never dissolved. 1/3 member retire every 2 years, and the normal duration of the house 6 years. The normal duration how many years? 6 years. 1/3 member retire every 2 years. After that, qualification for the membership. Except the age foundation, all qualification like that Lok Sabha same as it is into the Rajya Sabha. Means first must be citizen of India. The member of the Rajya Sabha must be citizen of India. Second, what is second qualification? You can say that must be attained the age of 35 years or above the 35 years. It is very important. The member of the Rajya Sabha must be attained the age of how many years? Tell me. If we ask the questions, what is the age foundation for the membership of the Lok Sabha and what is the age foundation for the membership of the Rajya Sabha, then there is difference. What is difference? First of all, in Rajya Sabha, eligibility of age 25 years or above the 25 years. But here 30 years. How many years? First 30 years or above 30 years. Yes, 30 years or above the 30 years for the membership of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, so students, first qualification must be citizen of India. Second, must be attained the age of 30 years or above the 30 years for the membership of the Rajya Sabha. No one any criminal record of the members. He also not have any office of profit under the state government or the central government. His name is also mentioned into the electoral list. So these all are the important qualifications for the membership of the Rajya Sabha. Okay. Many times the question is asked, what is the age foundation between both the house? So many students are confused. Okay. First of all, he or she is of unsound mind. Is also for the membership of the Rajya Sabha. Citizen of India, also 30 year age or above the 30 years, and he also qualified under any law of the parliament. He or she is an undischarged insolvent. He or she is an alien. Means the member of the Rajya Sabha must be qualified. All the qualifications those are mentioned by the parliament from time to time. He must be complete the age of 30 years or above the 30 years. He must be a citizen of Indian. He or she is an unsound mind. Okay, not be unsound mind. So all the qualifications same as it is the Lok Sabha, but age foundation in Lok Sabha 25 year or above the 25 year minimum age, but in the Rajya Sabha 30 year or above the 30 year age foundation. After that, chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Vice President. Who? Vice President, known as the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and also known as the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, Rajya Sabha, the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who is Vice President. He is also known as the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, chairman of the Rajya Sabha, vice president. The member of both the house means the member of the Lok Sabha and the member of the Rajya Sabha, elected member, participated in the election of the vice president of India. Understand how the vice president of India elected? The vice president of India elected by the member of both the house, means member of Lok Sabha and member of Rajya Sabha. Both are elected, one chairman and one deputy chairman. But deputy chairman elected by the member of the Rajya Sabha, no role of the Lok Sabha for the elections of the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha. But the chairman means the vice president of India, elected by both the house of the parliament, means the member of the Lok Sabha and the member of the Rajya Sabha, both are participated in the election of the vice president. So vice president known as the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. He also known as, he or she also known as the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. I hope that clear. Rajya Sabha known as a different name. Permanent house, because Rajya Sabha never dissolved. It is also known as the Council of State. It is also known as the upper house. Yes, it is also known as the upper house. Lok Sabha known as the lower house. Rajya Sabha also known as the upper house. Composition of the Rajya Sabha: maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha 250. There are two types of members: elected, how many? 238. Nominated, how many? 12. They all are nominated by the president. They all belong to the different field: art, sport, social service and literature. Duration of the house: the normal term of the Rajya Sabha 6 years, but each and every 2 years 1/3 member retire every 2 years, and the vacant seat fulfilled by the new member. So the Rajya Sabha never dissolved. It is known as the permanent house, but the normal term of the Rajya Sabha 6 years. Qualification same as it is, all the qualification like that Lok Sabha, same as it is Rajya Sabha, but age foundation for the membership of the Rajya Sabha minimum 30 years or above the 30 years. Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Vice President of India, known as the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The Vice President of India, elected by both the house of the parliament. The elected member of the both the house participated in the election of the Vice President, and one deputy chairman also elected by the member of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, so these are the important features of the Rajya Sabha. Tomorrow we discuss about that power of the parliament, and then after we study about that council of ministers headed by the prime minister.